Welcome back, Hunter. So, Open just squeezed today after the major news yesterday after hours with new CEO. What's going on? Where the price will go? Are we gonna squeeze? And again, is this too late for you to enter? We're gonna discuss it in today's video. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here just for education purposes and will not provide any financial advice. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, guys, we have a fantastic jump today after the pullback. So it's kind of strategic pullback if you want to ask me. The insider bought really discount price before this jump. And today we have to discuss where the price will pull back because we might have a pullback at any moment. So watch out, guys. We have the $9.25. This is the ultimate level. The reversal or the squeeze happened there just after the market closed by 1 hour from the $6, almost the $6 until the 860. The market opened, we have a little pullback, another buyer just came in around the $7.37 and we jumped some more. So for right now, guys, we have three technical support. The first one we already tested here around the $8.62. The second one is around precisely over the $8.09. And the final one, or the most important one that we reversed from, is around the 737. So what's the game plan? First of all, if we held right now, because right now we have a bit of consolidation over the 860, it means we're gonna have the test around the 970 or almost maybe the $10 before another pullback, because it's kind of psychological level for Open to test the $10. Everybody talk about the $10 once we were around the $5, and this is give us almost 100% jump from the last few days. The other scenario is not going there around the $10, but pulling back before going toward the $10, pulling back toward the 8 and the $7.37 once again. So if we pull back toward the 809 will be the best case scenario for re-entry, because right now it's a bit overextended if you already didn't enter with us, because we already discussed Open so many times, guys, before even this jump around this dip. And of course we suggest for our hunter for this entry, of course on our pre-market watch list we discussed Open, I think yesterday, around this dip that we suggest for entry, of course, before this jump. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to join our hunter channel. And of course today we did a really good jump for VNCE, where Dexter, one of our elite hunter, already took his profit on this one. And of course, Emoji Trader did a killing today on mini stocks Open, ORCL, SNPS, and MOGU. We discussed them today on a pre-market watch list where we discussed mini stocks. Again, Open, guys, what we should expect, as we said, the $8 should be the best reversal entry if we have a pullback. And of course, the 737 is the warning sign if we're gonna have unusual seller, because this is where we have another buyer got in at the market open today. So the $7.37 is the warning sign for market shift, and the $8 will be the best reversal zone. But for now, we don't have any reversal. So if we don't break the 860, guys, its main open will continue this majestic squeeze toward the $10. We're gonna discuss the other levels, of course, by tomorrow, before the market open, on our Discord and Patreon. And we already did a major update for Open on our Discord and Patreon for the ultimate target after the $10. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.